Hello friends, hope you are doing good. In this discussion, we will see how to set up PyCharm in macOS and configure Odoo in PyCharm. So first you need to install any of this version as a professional or as a community. I already installed in my local system, so you need to just download any of this one. But if you install this professional, then only 30 days the trial version is there. Like you can see, the free trial is for the 30 days. If you have a license, then good to go with this professional, otherwise you can choose this community version. And I already installed PyCharm here, so I have to just click, I have to open the PyCharm application, and you can see here in the screen, like right now I'm using community version 2020.3. And now you can see here, this is, it says like welcome to PyCharm. Let me open my terminal, my folder directory, and you can see this is my home directory, and we just we are just using this directory Odoo. So simply I'm going to here, click to here new project, and here like I will choose another location, home, then after this Odoo, that's it, and open. And you can see here the interpreter is also default interpreter is this one. You can also choose your interpreter, but right now you can see there is no any default interpreters is available which we created. Name is Odoo env14, right? Odoo 14 env. We can just choose this one like previous configured. So here let's say this one is display, but we have to choose from here like virtual environment. Click here. So now we are using this environment, so in bin, and we have to choose here the Python 3.8, that's it, and make it available for all the projects. And now you can see this button is visible, and let me click here, and simple, like you can choose like open project or create from existing sources. So I can just use like open project here. So first time it will take some time. So now you can see successfully we configured this Odoo. So now you can use also this terminal to execute here the Odoo without logging into the virtual machine, because you can see here like whenever you create a new session, it will always execute, it will always active this Odoo 14 env virtual environment. So you don't need to always go to in terminal like this. Then after we need to active this Odoo 14 env, so we can just deactivate here. And I'm just going to here PyCharm side Odoo dash bin like add-ons path add-ons, then after R means user, and password we provided as a Odoo. So let me enter the key, let me press enter the key, and now you can see okay. So now like Odoo service running on this port 8069. So I'm going to again here and go to here and refresh the page. Now you can see it will automatically refresh the page, plus you can see here all the logs in PyCharm terminal. Instead of the macOS terminal, you can also access using like this. Alright, I hope you understood like how to configure your Odoo with PyCharm. Our next session would be how to automate this session, and we can just use this we can use this PyCharm default service to execute this Odoo service automatically instead of to fire this command. In our next session would be this one, so don't miss this one. I hope you understood this one, and in case you have any doubt or query related this one, please comment below, and see you in next session.